Topic 12. Household chores. 18. I need your help stirring ingredients and tossing salads. I need your help stirring ingredients and tossing salads. 19. I need your help with washing, peeling, and chopping the veggies. I need your help with washing, peeling, and chopping the veggies. 20. Can you help me replace the dining table cloth? Can you help me replace the dining table cloth? 21. Can you set up the dining table? Can you set up the dining table? 22. Can you get the utensils ready, please? Can you get the utensils ready, please? 23. Can you take some more chopsticks and spoons? Can you take some more chopsticks and spoons?